These are the components and control elements engaged in each gear range. The front clutch, the rear clutch, the front band, the rear band, and the one-way clutch. The front clutch combines with other elements to provide the required ratios for all forward gears. When D is selected, the front clutch is engaged. The one-way clutch acts as the reaction member, holding the planet carrier stationary and stopping it rotating in the opposite direction to the input shaft. Power flow is from the input shaft through the applied front clutch to the primary sun gear, which turns clockwise. Since the primary sun gear is meshed with the primary pinions, the pinions rotate anti-clockwise. This turns the secondary pinions clockwise on their pins on the locked planet carrier. The secondary pinions turn the ring gear and the output shaft in a clockwise direction at a reduced ratio and with increased torque. The gear reduction in first gear is 2.39 to 1. The secondary sun gear rotates freely in the opposite direction to the primary sun gear. On overrun, when torque is applied from the road wheels, the one-way clutch unlocks and allows the planet carrier to rotate. The transmission free wheels and no engine braking is provided. In selector position D and also in position 2, the front clutch and the front band are applied to obtain second gear. When the transmission changes from first to second, the front clutch remains engaged and the front band is applied to lock the secondary sun gear to the case. The secondary sun gear now becomes the reaction member. Power flow is from the input shaft through the applied front clutch to the primary sun gear and to the primary pinions. The anti-clockwise rotation of the primary pinions turns the secondary pinions clockwise. Since they mesh with the secondary sun gear and the ring gear, they walk around the stationary sun gear and rotate the ring gear in a clockwise direction. In both drive and overrun conditions, torque reaction is taken by the applied front band, which holds in either direction. The gear reduction in second gear is 1.45 to 1. In selector position D, the front and rear clutches are applied to obtain third gear. When the transmission changes from second to third, the front clutch remains engaged. The front band is disengaged and the rear clutch is applied. Since both clutches are now applied, the input shaft is locked to the primary sun gear through the front clutch and to the secondary sun gear through the rear clutch. With both sun gears locked together and to the input shaft, there is no relative motion between the gears. The whole gear set rotates as one unit to give a direct drive with a ratio of 1 to 1.